Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talk, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ava.
And I'm Paul. Hi, Ava, and hi to all our amazing listeners around the world.
Today's topic is simple, real, and very modern: how to talk about online learning.
Not big words, not theory, just everyday English you can actually use.
We'll talk about a full day, morning, afternoon, evening, and night, and how online learning fits into real life.
You'll hear short stories, daily habits, and easy sentences you can copy.
This is for beginners and busy learners. If you can say one short sentence, you're ready.
Quick reminder, if this helps you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with one friend.
Learning online can feel lonely sometimes.
But today, you're not alone. We're learning together.
Take a breath, relax, and let's start your day with English. Okay, let's start with the morning. This is where online learning usually begins.
Simple sentence first. I wake up early.
Repeat after us. I wake up early.
Good. Another one. I check my phone.
Again, I check my phone.
In online learning, the phone or laptop is important. I open my laptop.
Say it slowly. I open my laptop.
Now connect it. Listen. I wake up, check my phone, and open my laptop.
That's real English. No tricks, just daily life.
Morning actions are simple. Wake up. Wash your face. Eat breakfast. Open your laptop. Start learning.
Short sentences are strong sentences. Let me tell you a small story.
Go ahead.
When I lived in a small town, my mornings were very quiet. No traffic, no noise. I could hear birds.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. I woke up around 7 a.m. I didn't rush. I made tea, just 1 cup.
No fancy coffee?
No, just tea. Then I opened my old laptop. It was slow.
Of course it was.
Online learning was new for me. The screen felt strange, no classroom, no teacher in front of me.
But you still studied.
Yes, I watched one short lesson every morning, only 10 minutes.
That's important. Small time, every day.
I felt proud. Quiet room, warm tea, English on the screen.
That's a habit story.
Yes, every day I usually studied in the morning.
Morning habits matter. The brain is fresh.
And emotionally, mornings feel hopeful.
Contrast time. In a big city, mornings are loud.
But in a small town, mornings are slow.
Online learning fits that slow rhythm.
You don't need to run, you just log in.
Now your turn.
Pause for a second.
Say this sentence out loud. I study online in the morning.
Again, but slower. I study online in the morning.
Good. Now change one word.
Say, I watch lessons in the morning.
Comment challenge. Write one sentence. What do you do first in the morning?
Even one short sentence is perfect.
Listen to this full sentence.
I wake up, eat breakfast, and start my online class.
This is how real people talk.
No, not robot English, real life English.
Another example. I make tea, sit at my desk, and open my lesson.
Notice the flow, actions connect.
Morning online learning, more daily language.
Let's add more useful phrases.
I log into my class.
I wear headphones.
I listen to the teacher.
I take notes.
Simple, clear, useful.
Repeat this one. I listen and take notes.
Good job. My turn.
Tell us.
I also lived in a small town. My internet was not strong.
Ah, real problem.
Every morning, I checked the signal first.
Priority.
I sat near the window. Better connection.
That's a real online learner move.
I heard cows outside. I'm serious.
That's very small town.
I joined my online class. Camera off, microphone muted.
Everyone does that.
I felt nervous at first, but I stayed.
Emotion matters here.
Yes, online learning felt lonely, but also safe.
In a classroom, people watch you.
Online, you feel hidden.
That can be good or bad.
For beginners, it's often good.
Less fear, more focus.
Interactive listening and speaking. Repeat after us.
I join my online class.
I listen carefully.
I feel calm.
Say all three together.
Pause and try it now.
Think about your morning.
Where do you sit?
Bed? Table? Floor?
There's no perfect place.
The habit matters, not the place.
Online learning in the morning is about showing up.
Let's recap.
I wake up. I eat breakfast. I open my laptop. I study online.
These 4 sentences can describe your morning.
Simple English, real life.
And emotionally?
Calm, quiet, focused.
That's the goal. Now it's afternoon. Energy changes here.
Yes, morning feels fresh, afternoon feels slower.
Let's start with basic sentences.
I have lunch.
Repeat it. I have lunch.
I feel a little tired.
Say it honestly. I feel a little tired.
Online learning doesn't stop in the afternoon.
It just changes.
I continue my online class.
I watch recorded videos.
Good. Many learners do this.
Now connect actions. I have lunch, rest a little, and watch my lesson.
That's real afternoon English.
Let me share a small afternoon story.
Go on.
In my small town, afternoons were very quiet.
Quiet, like sleepy quiet?
Exactly. Shops closed, streets empty.
That sounds familiar.
After lunch, I felt heavy. Rice does that.
Very honest.
I didn't want to study, but I didn't quit.
Important point.
I opened my laptop again. Not live class, just a video.
Less pressure.
I watched for 15 minutes.
Only 15?
Yes, and that was enough.
That's realistic learning. This is about habits.
Every afternoon, I usually studied a little.
Not perfect, just consistent.
Online learning works well with small effort.
You don't need 3 hours.
You need a decision.
Afternoon energy check.
Sit straight.
Take a breath.
Now repeat. I study online in the afternoon.
Again, but louder.
Good.
Now say this. I feel tired, but I continue.
That sentence is powerful.
Listen to this.
I finish lunch, drink water, and watch a short lesson.
Actions flow together.
Another one. I feel sleepy, so I stand up and stretch.
Online learning needs body movement too.
Let's add more phrases.
I pause the video.
I replay the lesson.
I don't understand, but I try again.
That sentence is real learner English.
Repeat it. I don't understand, but I try again.
Good job.
Can I be honest?
Always.
I hated afternoons.
Why?
My motivation dropped.
Same here.
In my small town, afternoons were hot.
Heat plus study is dangerous.
I sat near the fan.
Classic move.
I watched English videos with a low volume.
Half energy.
But I stayed.
That's the key.
Even tired learning counts.
Let's compare.
In a classroom, afternoon feels long.
Online, you control the speed.
You can pause.
You can stop.
You can return later.
That freedom helps beginners.
Think about this.
Do you study live or recorded?
Morning or afternoon?
There's no wrong answer.
Say one sentence now.
I study online in the afternoon.
Or change it.
I watch videos after lunch.
Write one sentence in the comments.
Full afternoon sentence.
After lunch, I feel tired, but I watch one short lesson.
That sentence describes many learners.
And that's okay.
Afternoon learning is not about speed.
It's about staying connected.
Even 5 minutes keeps the habit alive.
Break the day, don't break the habit.
Let's recap key phrases.
I have lunch. I feel tired. I watch a video. I try again.
Simple words, real life.
Morning builds energy.
Afternoon builds discipline.
Now it's evening. This is a very important time.
Yes, evening feels different.
The day slows down.
Work ends, noise goes down.
Let's start with basic sentences.
I finish my work.
Repeat it. I finish my work.
I come back home.
Or this. I stay at home.
Online learners often stay home in the evening.
I open my laptop again.
I join my online class.
Now connected. I finish my work, eat dinner, and join my online class.
That sentence is gold, very real.
Let me share an evening memory.
Go on.
In my small town, evenings were my favorite.
Why evening?
The sky changed color. Orange, pink.
Nice picture.
Neighbors sat outside, kids played.
Calm energy.
I sat near the window with my laptop.
Same laptop again?
Same slow laptop.
Respect.
I joined my online English class at 8 p.m.
After dinner.
Yes, I felt relaxed.
Not rushed like morning.
Exactly. Evening learning felt warm.
That's a strong memory.
Yes, emotion helps learning.
Habit matters here too.
Every evening, I usually studied English.
Same time?
Same time, same place.
That builds discipline.
Online learning loves routine.
Your turn now.
Sit comfortably.
Repeat after us. I study online in the evening.
Again, I study online in the evening.
Now add feeling. I feel relaxed in the evening.
Say both together.
Pause and say it out loud.
Listen carefully.
I eat dinner, clean the table, and open my laptop.
This is connected Life English.
Another one. I feel tired, but I enjoy my class.
That contrast is important.
Let's add more evening phrases.
I attend a live class.
I turn on my camera.
Or this honest one, I keep my camera off.
Very honest.
I ask questions in the chat.
I listen to other students.
Repeat this sentence. I listen and learn.
Simple, strong. My evening story is different.
Tell us.
I was often tired.
After a long day?
Yes, my body was tired. My mind was tired.
Real life.
I joined my class anyway.
Even tired?
Yes, sometimes I just listened.
That still counts.
I heard the teacher's voice.
That keeps the habit alive.
I felt connected.
Let's compare again.
In a classroom, evening classes feel heavy.
Online, you sit in your safe place.
Your chair, your room.
That comfort matters.
Less stress, more focus.
Think for a moment.
How do you feel in the evening?
Tired? Calm? Free?
Say one sentence.
I feel calm in the evening.
Or, I feel tired, but I study.
Write it in the comments.
Listen to this full evening sentence.
In the evening, I relax, open my laptop, and study online.
That sentence can describe many people.
And it sounds natural.
Evening learning is emotional.
Yes, it's not just study time.
It's personal time.
You choose to learn.
That choice matters.
Let's recap key phrases.
I finish my work. I eat dinner. I join my online class.
I feel relaxed.
Morning builds habit.
Afternoon builds discipline.
Evening builds connection.
Now it's night. The day is almost over.
Night is quiet. Night is slow.
Let's start with very simple sentences.
I finish my lesson.
Repeat it. I finish my lesson.
I close my laptop.
Say it. I close my laptop.
I feel tired.
Honest sentence. Say it. I feel tired.
Now connect them.
I finish my lesson, close my laptop, and rest.
That's perfect night English.
Let me share a night moment.
Go ahead.
In my small town, nights were very dark.
No city lights.
Exactly. Just one street light.
Very quiet.
After my online class, I sat on my bed.
Laptop closed.
Yes, phone face down.
Good habit.
I thought about one thing I learned.
Just one?
Only one. A word. A sentence.
That's realistic learning.
I felt calm, not stressed.
That feeling matters. This is a strong habit.
Every night, I usually reviewed one thing.
Not notes, just memory.
Night is for reflection.
When I lived in a small town, nights were slow.
Slow helps thinking.
Online learning needs quiet time.
Now your turn.
Sit back.
Take one deep breath.
Repeat softly.
I study online at night. Again. I study online at night.
Now say this. I review one thing.
Pause and say it out loud.
Listen carefully.
I finish my class, turn off my screen, and go to bed.
That sounds natural.
Another one. I feel tired, but I feel proud.
That sentence is important.
Night learning language. Useful phrases.
Let's add a few more phrases.
I review my notes.
I think about what I learned.
I set my alarm.
I sleep.
Simple words, big meaning.
Can I share one more?
Please.
Some nights I felt lazy.
Honest.
I wanted to skip learning.
We all feel that.
But I remembered my morning tea.
Nice loop.
I remembered my quiet room.
Memory helps habit.
I smiled and slept.
That's balance.
In a classroom, learning ends at night.
Online learning stays with you.
You carry it to bed.
Not stress, reflection.
Big difference.
Think about your day now.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
You showed up.
Even a little.
That matters.
Let's recap the full day.
Morning. I wake up and study online.
Afternoon. I feel tired, but I continue.
Evening. I relax and join my class.
Night. I review and sleep.
These sentences tell your story.
Real English, real life.
Today, we talked about how to talk about online learning.
Not perfect learning, real learning.
Small habits, simple sentences.
If this helped you, like the video.
Subscribe to the channel.
And share it with one friend.
Community questions for you.
What is your favorite part of the day?
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Write your answer. One sentence is enough.
You're doing better than you think.
You're improving already.
Thanks for learning with us.
Have a wonderful day.
And a wonderful night.